So, it is August right now. The weather is extremely hot. I'm loving it. There have been a ton of great summer sneakers that have come out, and some things I'm still trying to hit on. Very upset about the Easy Day and those turtle doves. Hopefully they drop at Christmas or something and I can cop my pair for retail on the Adidas app, because I always love Adidas and I hit on it all the time, and you know, that's the story. But anyways, I have actually been thinking of the upcoming months. You know, I live in the greater Toronto area, for anyone that doesn't already know or does not follow the channel. And what that means is it starts to get cold pretty quick. I mean, September cools down, October, and then boom. November, December, it's like comes out of nowhere and snow is around the corner. And what that means is I can look at the off-season stuff during this season. You know, I'm going to look back at all the stuff I didn't pick up during the winter now. By that, I mean winter products like winter boots. And yes, I do a ton of reviews, so you guys are probably thinking this might be an Under Armour or a Nike or some type of tactical boot. But no, this is the boot I wanted so bad last year. But Adidas Canada did not release it. Okay, it was in the States and supposedly in Europe now, because my pair ended up coming from Europe. But I could not get it. I was battling up and down for a price. I didn't want to pay, you know, that much more over retail. I was deciding if I should go for a blue colorway or orange colorway. But you know what? In the end, I ended up getting the pair I want. So guys, remember, if there's something you're looking for, especially if it's not like something everyone's after, it's unique and you're being yourself, just sit, hold tight, and you know, if it's meant to be, it will come to you. But I'm talking too long. Let me get to the pair of sneaker boots, or whatever you want to call it, that I picked up. So anyways, no further ado, first we're going to pop the box. This is a big black box, right? And you can see nicely there, it says HU, because this is the Pharrell edition, you know? So you got that human race right there. Really big box. Black on all sides, black on the bottom, and then we have the front. A classic Adidas box logo. So let's move the lights over here and bring it in closer. Okay, so you can see right there, Terrex Free Hiker Cold.Rdy. Alright, let's go. In my size, the 10.5, Adidas mark there, and the box opens up big like this. Now I've already taken one shoe out to show you guys, but that's it. We got the black paper on the inside. Nothing fancy about it. Got that StockX tag, and you know what? I feel safe buying off StockX for a pair like this, because this is probably a pair that isn't counterfeited a lot. I haven't seen anyone show them at the markets in China. Shout out my old videos, shout out friends over there. But yeah, it's not something that, you know, they commonly would break, especially being that this is waterproof, and one of the main reasons I need it. So here, let's take another quick look up close. We got the tag here, Pharrell PW, I believe that's what it is. Terrex Free Hiker Cold.Rdy edition. So it's meant for the snow, it's meant for the cold, and waterproof and everything. Let's bring the lighting in. So lighting's a little bit off, I do that. Nice black on black colorway. You got 3 stripes here. Back cuff. It feels kind of like my Ultra Boost. And that's the same idea, because you have the boost bottom, right? These pretty much my triple black Ultra Boost, but snow edition. And if you guys don't already know, that is probably my favorite shoe. I wear it all the time. It's my beater. I mean, it's not my favorite design-wise. It's not my #1 shoe overall, but it's the shoe I will always wear. I will always buy a new pair. You can see in some of my other videos, go check it out. I recommend that Adidas Ultra Boost triple blacks. Always good for everything, especially the 1 or the 5. Great shoe. But yeah, this is basically that shoe. That's why I'm so excited. That's why I'm jubbling all my words up. I can't even explain how happy I was. Now I got this, I forget, it was below retail. I believe after paying everything, I spent like $260 Canadian, tax included, shipped all the way. So I believe that's below retail, because the retail I believe was $199 American or whatever. I don't know. Comment below if you guys know. Comment if you guys have these. But I would mainly first saw these from my favorite YouTuber, Oh It's Teddy. Shout him out. I just recently bought one of his shirts. Got to review that, and yeah, this is it. So we got it there. Once again, to show you more hits. I haven't really done a 360 of it yet. That's the inside, the midsole. outer sole, you know, at the bottom. Oh, Continental bottoms. Got that plate there in the middle, just like all those Ultra Boosts do. Support plate. Okay, so one last time, let's do a 360. And the inside. You can see the inside, there is no laces. It is a sock liner boot. You can see the waterproof material there. And then you just slip your foot in. Doesn't say anything around the side. Oh, it's cool. It got some little designs. I don't know if you guys can see that on the inside. Help stick to your pants. Definitely need snow pants with these. Zip it up and you're good to go. So now the main reason I wanted these is they go perfect with my Adidas Terrex Cold.Rdy winter suit. I do know it's all in white. My suits are all white. White top, coat, white bottom. But these black, they'll complement it. If these did come in white, I probably would have wanted white, but they'd have probably got dirty so fast. Anyways, it is summer. I am in shorts and t-shirt and sweating, but I will go put on some cargos and show you guys how these look. Maybe I'll even throw on the whole snowsuit. Let's have a look. Okay, here we go with the snow pants. This is the over-the-top look. I'll show you two. So that's that. I could also loosen it up, put them inside. See how that fits. A little bit of a tighter zip. If I wanted to do it this way, I don't know, is this the look? Back in the day, some kids at school used to tuck their pants into their socks. I wasn't one of them, but I don't know. Were you one of them? Comment below. There we go. Inside. Still got that tag. We're gonna have to take that off. We don't wear that tag, don't worry. Alright, so that does it for those Adidas Free Hiker Cold.Rdy, the Human Race, the Pharrell edition, whatever you want to call them. As it goes for fit wise, I would say it's a true to size for Adidas, you know, that 10.5 that I am, 10.5 fit perfect. If you wear, you know, Ultra Boost in your size, that go the same thing. I did feel there's a little bit of space, but I mean, it's a winter boot. You want to wear like a wool sock or something probably to go with it. So it's always good to have that little bit of extra space. And I mean, it feels nice and snug at the top anyway, so you should be good going true to size. Anyways, comment below if you guys are picking up any winter items during the summer, or if you do the same, if you pick up summer items in the winter, like shorts or swim shorts, I don't know. Comment below, tell me what you guys think. Anyways, till next time guys, take it easy.